The purpose of this gathering, as you might have heard, and you were told last week, that we are going to make a statement on the declaration of the election date for the general election in December 2026 in the Republic of South Sudan. In December 2024, the revitalized transitional government of national unity, RTGNU, in South Sudan extended the transitional period by an additional 2 years. The fourth extension postponed the country's first post-independent election from December 24 to December 26. The commissioners have been deliberating on the elections as stated by the Peace Agreement and the National Election Act 2012 amended 2023. In the above two quotations, we will quote first the Act. The Act says, Article 16, announcement of the election day, subsection 1, which says whenever an election is to be held, the Commission shall determine and announce the date in accordance with the Constitution and publish in the official gazette or the 2 newspapers with the nationwide circulation and on the Commission's website and mass media a notice of the holding of the election at least 6 months before the date of the election. Hence, from June 22, 2026 to December 22, 2026 is 6 months as specified above. The election will be conducted on 22nd December 2026 as detailed in the National Election Commission Act and R Axis extension to December 2026. There are many challenges facing the Commission, and we strongly request the government to speed up amending the existing legal gaps and to provide all basic needs within a short period to enable us to proceed with our duties and responsibilities in the coming few months. Also, the public is to be informed that their sovereignty is to vote during the election as the only way of getting into power. Finally, we ask the media to circulate widely this election date to the public, and thanks. May God bless South Sudan. The challenges, they are of 3 types. There are legal and contradictions which should be amended. The law must be amended. The second one is the availability of resources, such that we continue with the election processes. After this declaration, we are now to embark on realistic electoral timeline. And when we make it, we shall let you know within these few days. It will be out before the end of this month. Well, there are 3 issues which I must make clear to you today. That the political will is not ours, it belongs to the government. Availability of resources is to be provided by the government. Placed with the insecurity, the government knows better than us. But we have our election security body, which has been formed last year, and they have made some training, and they are doing their job. But the most fundamental or the most source of power of security is with the government.